Imagine you've always dreamed of starting your own online store. But what if you don't have the time, money, or technical expertise to create a product from scratch? That's where AliDropship comes in. Today, we're diving deep into AliDropship to answer the burning question. Is it really worth it? Ever wondered what it feels like to launch a successful online store without breaking a sweat? Let's find out. Section 1. What is AliDropship? AliDropship is a powerful platform that streamlines the process of creating and running an online store. It's designed for people who want to sell products without holding any inventory. How does it work? Here's the basic breakdown. Choose a niche. You select a product category you're interested in, like electronics, fashion, or home goods. Find winning products. AliDropship helps you identify popular and profitable products within your chosen niche. Import products. With just a few clicks, you can import these products directly into your store. Customize your store. You can personalize your store's design, branding, and layout to make it unique. Fulfillment. When a customer places an order, AliDropship handles the fulfillment process, including shipping and customer support. Section 2. Benefits of AliDropship. 1. No inventory. One of the biggest advantages of AliDropship is that you don't need to stock any products. This means no upfront costs, no storage fees, and no risk of inventory becoming obsolete. Point 2. Low startup costs. Compared to starting a traditional business, the initial investment required for an AliDropship store is significantly lower. You can get started with a minimal budget. Point 3. Time saving. AliDropship automates many of the tasks involved in running an online store, such as product sourcing, inventory management, and order fulfillment. This frees up your time to focus on marketing and growing your business. Point 4. Scalability. As your business grows, AliDropship can scale with you. You can easily add new products, expand your product categories, and increase your sales volume. Point 5. Risk mitigation. By dropshipping, you minimize your risk of financial loss. If a product doesn't sell well, you don't have to worry about being stuck with excess inventory. Section 3. Is AliDropship right for you? AliDropship is a great option for people who want to start an online store without a large upfront investment, are looking for a low-risk business venture, value convenience and efficiency, are passionate about a particular niche. However, it's important to note that AliDropship is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It requires effort, dedication, and a solid marketing strategy to succeed. Section 4. Common concerns and how to address them. Here are some common concerns people have about AliDropship. Competition. There is competition in the dropshipping market, but by choosing a niche and finding unique products, you can differentiate yourself. Profit margins. While profit margins can vary, it's possible to achieve healthy profits with careful product selection and pricing. Customer satisfaction. Ensuring customer satisfaction is crucial. Choose reliable suppliers and provide excellent customer service to build a positive reputation. Section 5. Getting started with AliDropship. If you're interested in trying AliDropship, here's a brief overview of the steps involved. Choose a plan. AliDropship offers different pricing plans to suit your needs. Install the plugin. You'll need to install the AliDropship plugin on your WordPress website. Import products. Start importing products from AliExpress or other suppliers. Customize your store. Design your store to reflect your brand and attract customers. Market your store. Promote your store through social media, search engine optimization, and other marketing channels. AliDropship offers a convenient and affordable way to start an online store. By leveraging its features and following best practices, you can build a successful business. However, it's essential to approach it with realistic expectations and a willingness to put in the work. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.